Just a quick video showing you back to our Mother's Day event that we catered. It was with Jacqueline, events by Jacqueline Antoine, and this girl, like guys, like Jackie is amazing. Find her on Instagram, on Facebook, book her. Your event will be well done. She did an exceptional job as usual. And then, oh yes, let's give her a round of applause. I was charged with the food. So the menu for this would be just some brown stew chicken, some callaloo with julienne carrots, some brown stew fish, ackee and saltfish, mackerel rundown, fried dumpling, roast breadfruit, boiled bananas and yam and sweet potato, and of course, you know, like a boiled dumpling too. So really enjoyed it. Guys, I want to talk to you about a little bit about, you know, just working and running a business. My gosh, it's so much sacrifice. My gosh, I'm like tired. I'm beat. But guess what? I had work following morning, even though I really hadn't slept that much the day before. But isn't that what life is though? Sacrifice. We're always sacrificing something.